Tired of losing track of where your time goes? Clockify offers several ways to log your hours, and mastering them can seriously boost your productivity. Let's dive in. First up, the timer. Click the timer icon. Describe your task in the "What are you working on" field. Select the relevant project from the project drop-down. If the project is missing, click on the Add Project button. Add any relevant tags. These are great for categorizing your work even further. Now, hit the Start Timer button. Let it run while you work and click Stop when you are done. Easy, right? What if you forgot to start the timer? No worries, head to the Manual tab, enter the date, start and end times, or duration. Again, fill in the description, project, and tag. Save your entry. Prefer a visual approach? Click on Calendar. In the left sidebar, click and drag on the calendar to select a time block. This will open an entry form pre-populated with the time. Fill in the remaining details. Clockify integrates with tons of tools. Explore the integrations page for seamless time tracking within your favorite apps. Each integration works a little differently, so refer to Clockify's help documentation for specifics. And that's it. By mastering these methods, you'll be a Clockify pro in no time, tracking your hours with accuracy and ease. Happy tracking!